All right, I realize when I make reference to things like installing a WordPress plugin, you might not even know what that means. So in this video, I'm just going to do a quick run through and show you exactly how to install a WordPress plugin. The plugin we're going to be focusing on is Rankmath. If you've never heard of Rankmath, it's something you should definitely look into. It's a great plugin for SEO. I used to say to use all-in-one SEO pack or Yoast SEO, but Rankmath is much, much better. So let's go. There's a couple different ways to install the plugins. First, I'm going to show you, obviously you'll go to plugins here on the left, click add new. All right, and then like I said, Rankmath, search for it. There it be. Since I've already installed it, I'm not going to actually install it. We'll do update, because that should be updated. All right, and then the other way to upload to get a plugin. If you're not able to find the plugin by searching, sometimes if you purchase a plugin or you have another way to get it, you'll have to actually download it. So you're going to go to WordPress.org. You're going to search up here for the name of your plugin. I already searched for mine, but I'm going to do it again. WordPress Forms. There it is. All right, once we download it, choose File. We're going to go to your, the name of it is WordPress Forms. There it is. Install now. Alright, then you'll activate the plugin. There it is. Now your plugin is installed. WordPress Forms Lite, that's it. We're not going to get too much further into that. I am going to go a little bit further into Rankmath, since that's what this video is based around, the Rankmath plugin. Rankmath does a lot of cool stuff. So once you start building an article, let's go to one that I've already made. Since you don't want to watch me write an entire article, that wouldn't be too exciting. So you come down here after you do your after you create your content. This is I haven't done much with this. I haven't optimized this piece of content. So I was hoping to choose one that I did, but since I didn't, so you choose a keyword. Hire a writer, and then it shows you all the little things that you can do to optimize. I mean, it's a great plugin. Like, they have great support. Obviously I'm struggling right here, but yeah, just through basic SEO, you need to make sure it's in the title, make sure it's in your meta description, which is right here, which I don't even have yet. You want the keyword in the URL. You want it at the beginning of your content in the first sentence or two, and I don't even have it in. 108. Optimize how many words you have. 822 words. They say that's enough. The more, the better. Then you take it a little further. Make sure it's in subheadings. Add an image with the alt text using your keyword. The keyword density. Then it goes a little further. Your title readability, content readability. But yeah, you get the gist of it. Just wanted to show you how to install a WordPress plugin, and also just a quick run through of Rankmath. You can get a little more advanced. If you're an advanced SEO, then an SEO pro, if you will, then you can take it a little further. You can work on the schema and the social. Great stuff. Like I said, this is definitely one you should plug in. If you're an affiliate marketer or if you're into SEO, Rankmath is definitely a plugin that you should get.
All right, that was a quick tutorial on how to install a WordPress plugin. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll get right back to you. If you could go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.